That's the SGX Nifty has recovered quite a bit from the low point. 11,047 is what it's showing now. That's, of course, for the Nifty futures. Now, the Nifty future closing was 11,076 on Friday. So, if the SGX Nifty is right, it's still indicating about a 30-point downtick from Friday's closing level. Ashwani Gujral, Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitesh Thakkar now join us. Good morning, gentlemen. Ashwani, what's the trading orientation today? How would you approach Nifty and the Bank Nifty?
Well, good morning. The way we have acted in the past with these, pre-budget and pre-election and pre-this and pre-that, is that we tend to stop looking at, global events and we go about our own tune. So my sense is even if the globe is weak or, somewhat weakish, we could continue to move on the upside. Now it's hardly 2 months. So that way, on declines towards 10,950, 11,000, we should continue to buy. And then we take it week by week. But I don't think this global weakness is really going to impact us in any sort of big manner. So if you open near lows, say 11,000, 11,020, etc., you would like to buy.
Okay. All right. Okay, Sudarshan, good morning to you. How does this week feel? Would you worry that we are not able to breach 11,000 emphatically, or would you be pleased that the bulls still have the initiative?
Good morning, Lata. The idea last week after that big rally was that once the Nifty comes down and settles around 11,000, we will be buyers. Over the weekend, luckily, nothing has changed. Around 11, which is where markets are likely to open 10 or 15 points higher. That's a different issue. We are opening near 11,000 and there is a buying opportunity in the Nifty and in the Nifty Bank. More so in the Nifty Bank, which has been outperforming and suggests that the outperformance will continue. So my suggestion is buy both the indices, keep very tight stops. For Nifty, your stops should be somewhere around 10,930. So that's a 70 or 80 point stop. And then we'll see where we go, where the markets take us. I don't have a target just now, but there is money on the long side. That's the feeling.
Oh. Okay, there's money to be made on the long side. Interesting. Mitesh Thakkar also joins in. Mitesh, hi, good morning. This is the question we've been asking as to now that the election bugle has been sounded. Is there a pre-election rally that you're looking at? And would you trade on the long side based on that?
Good morning. I think I would agree with that kind of sentiment. I think the move which has started 3-4 days back has, or at least the indicator setup does show potential of it continuing for the next few weeks. So in that sense, I think this could be a pre-election kind of a move. As long as we are about 10,950, maintain a positive bias, the first set of targets should be closer to about 11,250 and then we might take it higher from there. So in that sense, yes, I think, we have been trading with long bias for the last few days and I think that kind of idea continues. For the indices, buying on dips after that rally, I think is the best idea. Anything close to 11,000 would be buying opportunity. Stop should be 10,950.
Okay, in fact, let's discuss individual stocks. Sudarshan, good morning. You are actually quite bullish. All buy calls today.
Well, yes, actually, it just happened that there were a lot of buy calls and the sell calls were of poor quality. So this should be taken in that sense, not, a lot of bullishness. It's just a chance. Britannia is a buying opportunity. Britannia had a big rally and then a small decline, which could be a bullish flag. That suggests a significantly higher level is coming. Bajaj Auto is at the top of its chart and it's breaking out. It has been in our buy list for a long time now, for many days. And that continues. The breakout is a buying idea again. UPL has been in an upswing. That decline has come to an end. These are outperforming stocks and my sense is that outperformance will continue if the market is going up. So we focus on the outperformers rather than the dips. Siemens has been a stock that had rallied, small consolidation. I'm assuming that the rally should resume. And finally, that big HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has been consolidating for months and it's on the verge of a breakout and it's mimicking the Nifty Bank. It's very interesting. That's why I'm saying let's focus on the banks.
Okay. Actually, Mr. Rahul Bajaj will be a happy man. All of you three guys have one or two of his son's stocks. Ashwini, your list?
Well, in election time, you have to back the sons and daughters. Anyway, NCC is a buy with a stop of 98, target of 106. LIC is a buy with a stop of 488, target of 510. L&T Finance is a buy with a stop of 138, target of 150. Bajaj Finance is a buy with a stop of 2750, target of 2810. And Jubilant Food is a buy with a stop of 1325, target of 1380.
Okay, Mitesh, what about you? You have Bajaj Finance on your list as well. What are the other stocks you'd be looking at this morning?
So I'll begin with Bajaj Finance. I think it's just on the verge of getting past 3 days intraday swing high of 2780 to 80 level. So 2785 is what I've kept as a trigger. Buy above that, keep a stop at 2764. Look for 2840 as your target. Also buy on Idea. Again, needs to get past 33. So above 33, buy with a stop at 32.5. Look for targets close to about 35. Petronet is my third recommendation. I've been recommending the stock earlier as well. I think the medium-term charts are very positive here. Begin with the stop at 228, look for a first target of 245. And one sell call, that's on Asian Paints. Sell with a very tight stop at 1392. Look for declines to about levels of 1355.
Okay. Gentlemen, I wanted a view on SBI. Where does it head from here, Sudarshan?
I think SBI is a chart that suggests buying at current levels. These are short-term views. The larger view will depend on what the markets and Nifty does later. But as of now, it's a buy.
Okay, well, let's do one thing. Let's take a quick break on that note. On the other side of the break, we have plenty of these stocks to discuss, like SBI and the likes. Prakash Diwan will join in with some fundamental stock ideas.